Hello again, and in this video I want to talk about choosing a trustee. Whether you already have a trust, whether you're thinking about a trust, how do you think about a trustee that will truly put you first and think about what's best for you and put your interest above theirs? I don't know about you, but not many people come to mind when I really think about someone who would selflessly put me first. Well, hopefully you have some people on your list, but let's first dive into it. What exactly is a trustee? Well, the trustee is the person who is going to manage your trust according to what you wrote down. So within your trust document, you're going to say, okay, I'm the trustor, I'm the person creating the trust, and I'm the beneficiary, right? Because it's my stuff in the trust. And usually you are the first trustee. Usually you're managing the trust for your benefit. If you're married, you and your spouse will be co-trustees, and you're going to manage the assets in the trust for your benefit. If you pass away, then your spouse would be the sole trustee. And then when your spouse passes away, you need to select a third party. And there lies the rub. Who is this person who is going to put you first and put your children first? Well, I can't answer the who, but I can answer how you're going to choose that person. So first of all, make sure that that person is trustworthy. Does that person have a history of spending their money in a bad way? Are they in debt? Do they have a stable job? Do they have a situation wherein they are not in need? Because as you know, if your trustee is in need and they're managing your assets for your benefit and they're in need, there is a conflict of interest there. They have access to your cash. They have access to your resources. And so if they are in need, can you truly believe that they're not going to make a decision that's in their best interest? So choose a trustee that is financially stable, that actually manages their affairs. You know, with a situation like this, I love to think about what the Bible says about a pastor. A trustee is that. A trustee is the shepherd that's going to be shepherding your assets. And just like how you would want to make sure that your pastor knows what he's doing, you want to make sure that your trustee knows truly how to manage their finances. Then another thing that you want to look at is, does your trustee actually like the beneficiaries that come after you? If you're choosing a trustee that is adverse to any of your beneficiaries, you're going to have a problem. Either you're going to have a problem with that trustee, or you're going to have a problem with that beneficiary not trusting the trustee and causing problems within the family and within the trust. So don't get anyone who just hates the ground that your son walks in if your son is a beneficiary. Don't get someone who doesn't trust your daughter at all, who believes that your daughter is a horrible person when it comes to finances and is just going to waste your assets because you're setting up that trustee for litigation and you're setting up your daughter to have a very horrible time. You're going to have to be dealing with your debt and fighting with your trustee at the same time. So choose a trustee who has nothing to gain and who does not dislike your beneficiaries. I hope that helps. My name is Megan Truick, and I'm here with the Law Office of Brian Fagan, and I'm in the Estate Planning, Probate, and Guardianship Department. And if you're thinking about a trust, and if you need to find out who will be the successor beneficiary, let us walk alongside you to choose that person for you, because here we treat you like family, and oftentimes even better. Hello, thank you for watching our video, and because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.